Hi, how are you? Today let's draw a simple flower design. Let's start from top. We can draw a circle here, another circle here, and make an outline like this. Okay. Let's draw few petals for the flower on top. Another details of the petals for this flower we see here. Here we are drawing the basic shapes of a simple flower. So this line is coming after this line. We extend this curved line straight to the bottom. Let's draw another curved line parallel to the previous one and also bring it to the end, this point at the bottom. Then we draw a line here like this. This is the part of the flower at different ages. Some are fully bloomed, some are still yet to be blooming. You can draw a curved line like this. Alright. Another line we can draw for the leaves. Let's draw another leaf here. And another leaf here. Okay. So the color red, that's for the flowers. As you see here, all the red parts are the flowers. We're going to do the detailing later. First we put all the red colors to the flowers. And green colors to the leaves. Alright, green colors to the stick. And the leaves. Okay, now let's go for the details. the dark shades and the light shades. These are the combinations for doing the details. As you put the dark shade in one part, you put the lighter shade on the other part. So the base and the top, we put few details to the edges only. Let's put some details at the bottom here and on the top part too. The little flowers on the top part of this drawing, those are getting nice. As you see here in this drawing, all the petals, those are radially distributed from the center. This is the basic theme for all the drawings as we do here. When we put the shade in the drawing, let's make the darker part in the center and make it radially distributed to the outwards side. Few shades we need to put at the end of the petals and few shades at the center of the petals. Alright, we can put another one here like this. Draw a curved line and three parts of the flowers here. Put the red color and the green color for the stick. Later we are going for the detail parts. Now let's put the shades on here. If you like, you can do few details on the leaves. This will make it more nice. I think the drawing is almost complete. I hope you guys like the video. Please do subscribe my channel and stay with us. Watch for next video. We're going to do more interesting videos in upcoming drawings. All you need to do is the practice and practice. This is going to make your drawings perfect. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.